Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Jan.
And I'm Anna. And today, in the spirit of embracing getting older, we are going to try my very famous or infamous drink that I grew up with. And I've always talked about it. And it's Coke and milk. Well, I call it Coke and milk, but it's not Coke and milk. It's any soda, any brand that you like with condensed milk. And condensed milk, all that is like reduced milk with a lot of sugar. That's really what it is.
It's sweetened. Okay.
It is sweetened. Okay, so I'm gonna.
And it's not any soda, it's more of a cola kind of soda.
Right, it's a cola. Right. Yeah, I don't try it with 7-Up. I haven't tried it with 7-Up. Maybe it's good.
That sounds. I'm sorry.
I'm not, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
No.
Yeah.
This is delicious. So you fill about the bottom of the glass. So about 2 tablespoons.
I've always wanted to try this. She talks about it all the
I have
time.
not. By the way, welcome back, ladies.
Oh,
So
yeah.
nice that we're all finally back. We're
Yes,
going to stay
yes,
back.
yes, yes.
No more going out, no more going
Oh,
away.
not at least for
No
3
more
weeks.
surgeries.
No more nothings.
No surgeries.
I'm going to put a little bit more in this one.
Here's to good health.
So it should be about half an inch. And I grew up with this.
I
had
put this
for
in a
breakfast,
recipe,
lunch, and
like a
dinner.
cookie
Yeah,
recipe.
yeah.
That's about it.
Right.
Or fudge. Don't they make fudge with
You
this stuff?
can.
This is
Mhm.
like when my dad used to come home really late at night from working in Cuba. He would open up a can of condensed milk and just go.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
That can't be good.
no.
Right.
Can I just.
No.
Well, I just wanted to
Use
taste
your
it.
spoon.
No, don't drink
Okay,
anything
okay,
until you
okay.
try this, so that you don't have any other flavor.
There she goes, telling us what to do.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Because you got to stir it as soon as I pour it. Hold on. Okay, go ahead and stir. Stir, stir, stir. By the way, I have not had this in years.
Really?
I haven't had this in 63.
It's pretty.
It looks like a medicine.
It does not.
No, it looks
Now
like
drink it before the foam goes away.
Really?
Okay. There, drink it with the foam.
I'm gonna drink one.
I love this stuff.
That's like pouring sugar into your mouth.
It's actually quite good.
Oh, look at her.
Chug it, Anna.
God, it's so good.
It actually is.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it actually is. It's quite
Oh,
good.
she loves it. She's just
pretending.
Give me a cup of coffee, and I'll pour some of this in my coffee. Ooh, that would be good.
It's very rich, though.
It's
extremely rich.
Okay, so our coffee, instead of cream and sugar, we put condensed milk.
Oh, really?
See, I could see. Can you imagine a cup of coffee with some of this? Because you've got the caffeine from the cola, and then the sugar from this, and then the caffeine from
Well,
the
imagine,
coffee.
You can't-
Ooh, that would be kind of interesting.
You can't drink a lot of that, though.
I
It's
used to
very
drink
rich.
5 glasses a day.
Really?
5 glasses a day.
Oh
How many
my!
So
calories?
I'd be running
Oh, a
to
lot.
college. I'd be running to college, off to college, and I would drink one. And then as soon as I got back from college, I would drink another one. And then after dinner, I'd drink another one. You know, one for breakfast. 5 a day.
And why don't you weigh 700 pounds? Isn't that like?
Because I
Caloric?
wouldn't eat anything else.
Oh, well, that's healthy.
It's so sweet. Yeah, the sweet
Yeah.
thing.
What if you tried evaporated milk? I bet you that would be disgusting.
It doesn't have sugar.
Yeah, exactly.
It doesn't have sugar.
Yeah. but
Anyway,
this is-
totally unhealthy, totally the wrong thing to do, but man, does it taste good.
I must admit, it's very good.
not my thing, but I appreciate you sharing.
I mean,
your,
it's
Not
not
sharing with you.
it's not something I'm going to run home and make, or run to the store and buy the ingredients.
Oh, I thought you were going to go home and give it to Jay.
He'd probably like it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he definitely.
He loves himself some
Yeah.
Coke, so he'd probably like this.
Yeah.
But he
yeah.
hates milk.
Yeah, but this
Oh,
is
that's interesting.
this tastes
But
like-
we never drank white milk.
cola.
I never drank white milk. This is what I drank.
Can you imagine giving this to kids? They feel.
Like it was given to me, but see, it was at a time when they thought this was healthy. Jan,
I want to look at the calories. Oh.
we're trying not to show brands.
Oh,
excuse
Because
us.
then we can't do things.
Right. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us. Try it. You might like it. You can do it with any kind of cola. And I have to admit, when they came out with the cola that was clear, I couldn't do it.
Oh, yeah.
Could not do it. I just
I
thought
never had
that's wrong.
yeah, that was just
It's
not
just
in my
You
plan.
just need to leave things the way they are. Stop trying to change them.
Anyway, enjoy if you try it, and just try it. You may not like it, but you
It's
might.
good.
Yeah.
Look at her face. Try it. You'll
She
like
just
it.
doesn't like to expand her horizons.
That's right.
I tasted it.
I got condensed milk all over my hands.
I do too.
I do not.
Thank you. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons.
Remember to subscribe to Ma'am Talks on YouTube.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. And keep embracing getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.